Nick! Nick! Wave! Gene, you're...
Oh, you need another pair. I thought you just wanted me to put them away.
No, those are old ones.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How are you? We're sailors.
Yeah, baby.
So I just gave 2 old batteries to your wife and asked her to get me 2 new ones.
Okay.
She says, oh, I thought you wanted me to put them away.
Hey, where do you want me to put these old ones?
In the garbage.
Trash can, dear.
Because normally we don't put old batteries away.
I didn't recycle them at Target.
I'm recording this, okay? No, just put them in the freaking trash can, okay?
I thought you wanted to recycle them at Target, Daddy.
Not today, but thank you for asking.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Smile. John?
Good morning,
Good morning.
John Ram.
We'll go down and see our room. Haven't show my room back home. Virginia and I sleep right here. It's our head. Doug and Nancy stay over there.
It's okay, go home.
They knocked down the building, didn't want to buy them.